three types of yonis: human, subhumans, and divine. Human, subhumans, and divine. Okay? We are human beings. You think of divine means the realized ones, or the celestials, or those who live in heaven, liberated ones. Now, you go to subhumans, we see dog, cat, animals, plants, all these. Human being has a speciality. What is the speciality? It is called as the other yonis, whether those who are in heaven or those who are other than human. They are species, they come to one category. They call it is bhoga yoni, the life of enjoyment only. The life of enjoyment only. A tiger, what is the tiger's life? It's the life of tiger enjoys the life as a tiger, that's all. Tiger is not trying to become an elephant, or tiger is not trying to become, some other thing. No, tiger is born as a tiger, dies as a tiger, enjoys life of a tiger, nothing else. And remember, the animals usually don't have any karma. Neither good karma nor bad karma. You will say, oh tiger, why you are running towards me? You are doing bad karma. I am a sadhu. The tiger would say, that is, whether you are sadhu or not, you are my food, now I want to kiss you. So, I have no bad karma, no good karma. I am hungry, you are my food. Okay? Tiger has no bad karma, good karma. Deer has no bad karma, good karma. Now, the celestials, whatever they have done, they have done. Do you know what happens with the celestials or those who are in heaven? They cannot earn more money. Whatever they have, they spend it. They cannot deposit more money, or they don't have, others will send some money. Okay, stay there longer in India. You need not have to come back. I am sending some money for you. You stay few months more. No, it is not possible. Whatever you have to spend that. Once it is gone, you have to come back again. What is the human life? Human life has the combination of two, karma and bhoga. We can add our karma, good or bad, and we can enjoy or exhaust. Both we can do here. That is why human life is a blessed life. I am not an animal, I have no choice. I am not a celestial, I have no choice also. Whatever is there, I have to enjoy it, finish. I am a human being, I can do some good karma, I can exhaust my bad karma, I can develop myself. That's why human beings have choice. Among human beings. Among human beings. Just you think. Although we tell we all are human beings, you think of the whole world, total population. Can you tell? Those who are just eating, drinking, sleeping, eating, drinking, sleeping, working, they're just like animals. Don't take it in a negative way. Ahara, nidra, bhaya, maithuna, food, sleep, fear, procreation. It is just more primitive life. Among them, those who are real developed, you think of inhuman beings, people like, I use the word people because they lived with us with flesh and blood. You think of someone like Jesus, you think of someone like Krishna, you think of even coming to someone like Mother Teresa, if you think of someone like Gandhi, if you think someone like even present time, or someone like our masters, if we think, and look at them, their life, look at these people, their life, and look at you yourself, look at them and look them. What do you want to be?